Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn Firestore, how we can use Firestore in our application using Kotlin programming language. And for that I have designed this layout, and I will divide this video in 4 parts. In first part I will explain how we can make a connectivity with Firestore and how we can insert the information. In the second video I will explain how we can read the information. In third, I will explain how to delete the information, and at the last, in fourth video, I will explain how you can update the information from Firestore. In my last 4 videos, I have explained about the real-time database, all the operation, insert, delete, read, update. Same operation I am performing here in Firestore. So for making a connection, I am using here Firebase Assistant. So it is open. Now we have to go to Firestore, Cloud Firestore, this one, and we click on this. Here we have to click on Kotlin because I'm using Kotlin here. Now go to connect to Firebase. It will reach to the browser, and here I have already logged in. So it will connect, and we will connect with this my application. And you can create new one also if you do not have. And I click on connect, and connectivity has been established, and I have this Firestore here. You can create your database, just click on new database or just click on the add button. So I have already created, or you can create like this. Here I will create by the programming, here the collections and the database, but you can also create here if you want to create a collections or your documents, but I will create from the application. So this is the Firestore here. Now I'm going in coding part. Now I have to click on this add SDK. So we have to add this SDK in our application in Gradle file. So automatically it will be inserted. You see dependency has been removed. Now I will use here Android BOM. BOM is the new library package in Firestore to overcome the versioning and to make the Firebase compatible with older version also. So that's why I am using here this one BOM library, and just I delete now and I go to Gradle, and here I will use this one BOM library like this, and I will remove the version from this Firestore library, because if you use the BOM library then you can remove the version. And remember that I have added this dependency also, IO grpc OK HTTP. This is also required to send some data using HTTPS or HTTP protocol to the Firestore. Otherwise your application will generate some error. Remember to add this dependency also. Now synchronize this. The dependency completed, just close this one. Now we are going to make a coding. So I am click on this assistant. Now we have to follow the steps. So for creating a database object, I will create this one. So I will use this here. So I have created this Firestore, and I will import the packages also. You know that we have store. Now DB is the object. Now I will use the button to insert a record. So binding dot btn we have a add button, then set on click listener, then on click listener, like this. So I will insert the record. For inserting a record, for adding a record, we have this much of code. So just I copy this and I will convert this code as per my requirement. So here I am just pasting this one. So you see, I have some record. I have record like student name, then roll number. So I am just making it here as name. Then second field is as roll. Then third field is as course, and last one we can say that is the S branch. So as per your requirement, you change your data. So this is for hash map. Hash map is required to insert data into Firestore. So I say here, now I will insert the value. So value will come from these text box. So what I will do, I will first of all check here. I will check here if the student name binding dot txt student name, then dot txt, and we have a text that is not empty, is not empty. If this is not empty, and same if other is also not empty, so just I add all these things, copy this one and paste this one, then add more, then paste, then add, then paste. So I will change this to text to, we can say, roll number, then I change this to course, all my text boxes, edit text, and then I will use the branch. So if all these are not empty, for that these are functions, so we have to use function notation also. So if these are not empty, then I will start the if, and then I will use this if till the end of this, like this, then else, and I will say the toast dot make text application context, then I say please insert value first, then toast message duration short and dot show. Like this we have informed. Now we are passing the information here, like here I want to pass the name of the text field. So that text field is this one. So I say to string, like this. Then second one is the roll number. So I will change it to roll number to string. We can say to string dot to int, because it would be integer, and we say this is roll number, like this. Then in place of third value we will write the branch. So I say to string, and then I change it to branch or course, because it's a course. Then I copy this one and I paste last one also. I have a 4 value, so I am using here 4. If you have a 1, 2, 4, whatever value, then you use like that. So here we have ready the map. If these all are not empty, then I am reading my map and I am calling it to student information. Here I am collecting the collection with the name of student, or I can make the capital letter also, students, and then we will add this information, that is the student field. This information I am adding here. If my addition is okay, then I will use here the toast value in place of this log value. So I am using here toast. So I am explaining here, and in place of this I am writing this, that document ID is this. I am displaying the document ID. If the information is inserted, you can display name also, but here I am just document snapshot ID, which has been added recently because each and every document have a ID. So we are explaining this, and I am removing this one, no need of this log value. Again, if there is an exception, so I will paste this, I paste this toast value again, copy, and I paste this one, and in place of this I say error, and I will display that error here with E. So E is the error, whatever it will come. To string we can say. So like this, we have explained the error also, we have insert the value also. If the information is inserted, then it will display the document ID, or in place of document ID we can also display that document inserted, document, or we can say record inserted with ID. Like this we can display this ID. So like this way we have make possible to insert the data into the Firestore, and you can see that right now Firestore have no data, we do not have a data here. So now we will try to compile this program and try to add the information. Now you see program has run. Now I am trying to enter the information, like I see Vipin, I see roll number 1, I see course PhD, and I say branch CS, and I click on insert button, and it will display information or not. Yes, record inserted with ID this. And now we go here and we try to check this. We have to refresh it first. You see student has been come, and one record with Vipin PhD roll number 1, and we have the CS branch. So you see one record has been inserted. If you want to insert another record, we can also add like this, Sachin Kumar, we say roll number 2, same branch, same information, then we have insert. So it will also insert the record, and you see second record has been come. If we click on this, then we have a second information. So like that we can insert the information in Firestore. It's very simple. So thank you for watching my video. See you in next video for reading the information from the Firestore.